Zipline revolutionizes supply chains by using drones to deliver medical supplies swiftly and efficiently. This innovative approach overcomes logistical barriers, ensuring timely access to essential healthcare products. By leveraging technology, Zipline addresses critical challenges in remote areas, reducing delivery times and minimizing wastage of temperature-sensitive items, ultimately saving lives. In Africa, unreliable roads, seasonal weather, and long transit times hinder medical supply delivery, often exceeding 4 hours. This leads to high wastage of temperature-sensitive products, causing preventable deaths and suffering in remote areas. Addressing these challenges is crucial for improving healthcare access and outcomes. Zipline was founded in 2014 by Keller Rinaudo and Keenan Weirebek in California to address medical access issues. By 2016, they launched operations in Rwanda, delivering blood to remote hospitals. In 2019, they expanded to Ghana, becoming the largest medical drone delivery service. By 2021, they operated in 4 countries, serving over 25 million people. Clinics initiate orders through text, call, or app. Distribution centers then package and load supplies onto Zipline drones. These drones autonomously navigate to specified global positioning system coordinates, delivering packages via parachute. After delivery, drones return to base for recharging, readying for their next mission. Zipline drones feature a fixed-wing design with a 1.8-meter wingspan, enabling a 160-kilometer round-trip range and a top speed of 110 kilometers per hour. They carry up to 1.75 kilograms, navigate autonomously, and are weather-resistant. Each drone completes 10-15 deliveries daily, equipped with redundancy systems for enhanced safety. Zipline's operations in Ghana have revolutionized medical supply chains. Previously, deliveries took hours, but now they are completed in minutes. This efficiency has significantly expanded healthcare coverage in rural areas, ensuring timely access to essential medical supplies and improving overall healthcare outcomes. Strategic partnerships have been pivotal for Zipline's success. Collaborations with health ministries in Rwanda, Ghana, and Nigeria integrate Zipline into national healthcare systems. Support from non-governmental organizations like Gavi and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation provides funding and logistics expertise. Corporate alliances with Toyota and Google enhance engineering and software development, driving rapid scaling and operational efficiency. Zipline's success hinges on its proprietary drone technology and autonomous flight systems, enabling efficient delivery. Strong partnerships with governments and non-governmental organizations bolster integration and support. Local talent is crucial, with 80% of staff being locally trained specialists. Lean operations ensure efficient distribution, enhancing service delivery and operational excellence. Traditional medical supply chains rely on centralized warehousing and scheduled bulk deliveries, leading to high inventory costs and vulnerability to disruptions. Zipline's hub-and-spoke model enables on-demand, direct manufacturer-to-patient deliveries, reducing inventory needs and enhancing resilience against infrastructure challenges. This just-in-time approach minimizes wastage and elevates service levels. Zipline faces regulatory hurdles, needing to navigate complex aviation regulations and secure permits globally. Infrastructure development is crucial, requiring distribution centers in remote areas with unreliable power and connectivity. Financial sustainability is key, balancing a humanitarian mission with operational profitability. These challenges are significant as Zipline aims to serve 700 million people by 2024. Zipline's technology extends beyond medical supplies. In agriculture, it delivers seeds, fertilizers, and veterinary supplies to remote farms. For e-commerce, it provides last-mile delivery in hard-to-reach areas. In disaster response, it rapidly deploys emergency supplies during natural disasters, showcasing its versatility and potential for broader applications. Operational metrics reveal significant achievements. Over 30 distribution centers across Africa, with plans for Asia and the Americas. More than 275,000 deliveries have been completed, with a 99.1% success rate, serving 25 million people. Notably, there's been an 85% reduction in wastage of temperature-sensitive medical products, showcasing efficiency and impact. Developing markets can leapfrog infrastructure limitations through technology, enabling efficient operations. Hub-and-spoke models enhance supply chain resilience, ensuring reliable delivery. Public-private partnerships are crucial for infrastructure innovation, fostering collaboration between governments and private entities to address logistical challenges effectively. Zipline's innovative use of technology revolutionizes supply chains, achieving operational excellence and profound social impact. By challenging traditional paradigms, Zipline offers new models for complex logistics in developing markets, showcasing how innovation can drive significant change and efficiency. For further case studies and business insights, reach out to Skilled MBA. Contact us at +91-8753-0795 or support skilledmba.com. Visit our website at http://skilledmba.com for more information.